Ben and friends. A new friend, Pat. Words. Around. Ben and Sam look around. Under. She is under a tree. Artist. Pat is an artist. Paint. She is painting a bird. Word quiz. Ben and Sam look blank. Pat is blank a bird. Pat isn't blank. Pat is blank a tree. Story time. Ben and Sam look around. They see a girl. She is under a tree. The girl is Pat. She has a blue dress. Pat is an artist. She is painting a bird. The bird is blue and small. Look at the bird, Sam says. Pat looks up and smiles. Hello, do you like my bird? Read aloud. She is under a tree. She has a blue dress. The bird is blue and small. Hello, do you like my bird? Reading quiz. Who do Ben and Sam see? A dog. A girl named Pat. What color is Pat's dress? Blue, yellow, what is Pat doing? She is eating. She is painting a bird. What color is the bird? Green, blue.